Hi, I'm Mr. Zach, and in this lesson we're going to learn the DREIDEL song in exact notes. Let's take a look at our keyboard to see the keys we're going to need. Go ahead and take your hand and start with your thumb on middle C and play C, D, E, F, and G. And those are the only 5 keys that we'll need. Let's take a look again at our song, and we're going to start right up here with this first G right there. And let's zoom in a little bit closer. And notice that it's hanging out by itself. This is called a pickup note. Can you say pickup note? And what we'll do is count to 3, and then G is on beat number 4, like this. 1, 2, 3. G. Think you can do that? Let's try that. 1, 2, 3. G, C, C, D, D, E, C. And that's the first little part of the song. Can we try that a couple of times? And here we go. 1, 2, 3. G, C, C, D, D, E, C. Hold. Think you got it? Not too bad, right? And then let's go to the next little part. This is also starting on beat 4, so we'll go 1, 2, 3. E, G, G, F, E, D, hold, hold. Think you got that? And then let's go to the next part. Also on beat 4, so 1, 2, 3. D, 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 E, E, F, D, hold. Got it okay? And then, here it is again on beat 3. And I'm going to go down a little bit lower. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. D, G, F, E, D, C. Hold, E, hold. All right, now let's take a look at all of page 1. That's a lot of notes right there. Let's get a little bit of practice playing through page 1 before we go to page 2. So 1, 2, 3. G, C, C. Hold. D, 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 E, E, F, D, hold. D, G, F, E, E, C, hold, E, hold. Ooh, a little tricky, right? And pause and practice, of course, if you want to try just that section. But we are going to go on to page 2, right here. And let's take a look at the very top of the page. G, E, G, E, G, E, hold. And we'll go 1, 2, ready, go. G, E, G, E, G, E, hold. It's kind of a fun section, isn't it? All right, then let's go down a little further. Now here's another one that's starting on the 3rd beat, because you can see our measure line is here. So we'll go 1, 2, 3. E, G, G, F, E, D, hold, hold. And then that D belongs to the next little set. So let's wait on that. Right, here we go. And then 1, 2, 3. E, F, D, F, D, F, D, hold. A little tricky. And then the very last part. I like a challenge, though. I think it's a kind of a fun challenge. Then 1, 2, 3. E, G, F, E, D, C. Hold, hold, hold. Done! All right, a little round of applause. Give it a little bit of practice. Now let's take a look at all of page 2. And then we're going to go back to playing the whole song through pages 1 and 2. Here we go. Get ready on C, D, E, F, G. And then we'll go 1, 2, ready, go. G, E, G, E, G, E, hold. E, G, G, F, E, D, hold, hold. D, F, D, F, D, F, D, hold. E, G, F, E, D, C, hold, hold, hold. Done! Another round of applause for making it through page 2. Pause and practice if you need. Now, what we are going to do, though, is bring up the whole song and try it from the very beginning. Do you think you can play along with me? Let's give it a try. Here we go. We're Remember, we start on beat 4, and just get your fingers ready on the 5 keys we need. 1, 2, 3, G, C, C, D, D, E, C, hold, E, G, G, F, E, D, hold, D, 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 E, F, E, hold, B, G, F, E, D, C, hold, E, hold, G, E, G, E, G, E, hold, E, G, G, F, E, D, hold, D, F, D, F, D, F, D, hold, D, G, F, E, D, C, hold, and one more round of applause. That's all the way through. Remember to practice this entire piece until you can play the whole thing 3 times in a row without any mistakes. And when you think you can do it, show a grown-up and see if they say you can mark it as complete. For an extra challenge, try it without any labels on your keys, and please leave me a comment below letting me know how you like this song. On the count of 3, let's be playful. 1, 2, 3, let's be playful.